Structure of the heart. The human heart is made up of 4 chambers. The upper right and left chambers are the atria, and the lower right and left chambers are the ventricles. The atria are smaller than ventricles, have thinner walls, and receive blood from the different parts of the body through veins. The ventricles are larger, stronger pumping chambers that send blood out to the heart to the different parts of the body through arteries. The atria and ventricles are separated from each other by walls or partitions which have valves in them. The valves allow the movement of blood only in one direction. The valve between right atrium and the right ventricle is called the tricuspid valve, and the valve between the left atrium and left ventricle is called the bicuspid valve. The right atrium opens into the right ventricle, and the left atrium opens into the left ventricle. Due to this kind of construction, the blood flowing in the right side of the heart is completely separated from the left side of the heart. The deoxygenated blood flows through the right side, while oxygenated blood flows through the left side. A partition called the septum separates the right side of the heart from the left and prevents mixing of the oxygen-rich blood and carbon dioxide-rich blood. Superior vena cava and inferior vena cava collect deoxygenated blood from the anterior and posterior parts of the body respectively and drain it into the right atrium. This blood then moves to the right ventricle through the tricuspid valves. After the right ventricle is filled, the deoxygenated blood is pumped to the lungs through pulmonary artery. In the lungs, the carbon dioxide in the blood diffuses out and the blood absorbs oxygen from the inhaled air. This oxygenated blood then returns to the left atrium through pulmonary veins. From the left atrium, the blood passes into the left ventricle through the bicuspid valves, where it is pumped out through aorta. Aorta is the largest artery which carries oxygenated blood to different parts of the body.